Hey, hit the freeway. Right here.
Alright guys, quick backstory about this. I got added to this group chat and this dude has been trying to run me for a while. So it's been a couple of weeks in and out, messages keep showing up. So first he said it was on low boost with the Typhoon. I told him he should turn it up first. He said he turned it up, so we'll see how it goes. Here's some of the messages that were going in and out of the group chat.
Hit the freeway. Right here.
guys, well, there you have it. We just finished lining it up with the Typhoon Turbo GTI, and there's the results for you. EQT Vortex XL GTI, 6-speed manual, tuned by Equilibrium Tuning on an E85 map versus a Typhoon Turbo Sneekytune car, also on an 85 map with a built motor. I didn't really go looking for this, it kind of just happened. Group chat kind of kept blowing up every now and then. Sometimes I'll be at home watching TV, just hanging out. Group chat is blowing up, so decided to bring it out, see what it was all about. Overall, some good runs though. Definitely one of the quicker GTIs that I've ran, but still a good victory for this car though, for what it is. Honestly, I'm pretty surprised with this setup. Every time I I bring this thing out, some other car that I go up against just surprises me. I mean, this car has been nothing but great. Zero issues with the tune and everything. And yeah, man, it's running pretty nice. Very smooth power delivery with how things are with this turbo setup here. That was a 2-door GTI. This one is a 4-door spec. Technically, the 2-door is a little bit lighter than the 4 doors, so a little bit of a weight difference there. Both cars 6-speed, so gearing practically the same, or it is the same. Yeah, man, first Typhoon Turbo GTI on the channel, and there you have it. That's the results right there. Kind of just chilling the passenger side right now. We're gonna head out. I want to hear what you guys have to say about this race. Drop it in the comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. Did you expect this outcome? Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a like. Hope to catch you on the next one. Peace.